the officer in charge, ILO Office of the Pacific Island Countries, the National Secretary of Fiji Trade Union Congress, the Chief Executive Officer of Fiji Commerce and Employers Federation, the permanent secretaries, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to be here today to address the newly appointed Employment Relations Advisory Board members. I also welcome all invited stakeholders and guests present this morning. I must thank the People's Coalition Government and the Honourable Prime Minister for setting the platform right for tripartism, consultation, cooperation and dialogue in good faith in employment relations and to bring back in full force the tripartite forum for the people of Fiji. I must also thank the Honourable Attorney General and Minister for Justice for his profound vision in appointing our government representatives to the ERAB. Ladies and gentlemen, I must also thank the executives of the Fiji Trade Union Congress and its affiliates, and the executives and members of the Fiji Commerce and Employers Federation, together with our government representatives, for demonstrating their utmost interest in the Employment Relations Advisory Board. I convey appreciation to all stakeholders for taking your valuable time to attend the launch of the ERAB for the year 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been noted that in the past there were many impediments regarding ERAB meetings, including the composition of its members and the absence of genuine consultative process between the parties, the tripartite members. The tripartite board consists of representatives of the employers, workers, and government. However, previously the unions and employers were not clearly supported by government, and as a result, the consultations and meetings could not be convened as scheduled, resulting in many uncalled for unilateral decisions being made that impinged on the rights of workers and employers, thus giving a bad image to our tripartite process under the Employment Relations Act 2007, both at the local and international forefront. This will change now, and we have to set up a truly tripartite body that will consult all our stakeholders. Ladies and gentlemen, as part of the People's Coalition Government's commitment on tripartism, the previous board's appointment was revoked and the new appointment of the board members was done in compliance with ILO Convention 144 on tripartite consultation. Let's all work together to move beyond the barriers of the past and engage in proper consultation and consensus with regards to the conduct of our ERAB meetings to ensure that we put the nation and our people first in every decision we make. Ladies and gentlemen, the People's Coalition Government is prioritizing all tripartite boards, including ERAB, and would like to maintain its essence and principles. This is to ensure that the employment-related policies and procedures are equitable and inclusive through effective social dialogue, tripartism, and good faith employment relations. Let me also remind everyone that effective social dialogue between government, employers, and workers' organizations for sound industrial relations are the best means to promote social justice, inclusive economic growth, improved wages and working conditions, including improvement of business practice for the betterment of the employers, workers, as well as the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, as part of the consultation process, we are working to ensure that wages councils are brought back in its true form to negotiate, discuss, and provide tripartite process of wage setting in Fiji. I note that previously consultants were hired to impose their recommendation on workers and employers without proper consultation with our tripartite on minimum wages. This will change now, and we will provide the platform for wages councils to discuss minimum wage setting in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, social dialogue in this context includes all types of negotiations, consultations, or simply exchange of information between representatives of government, employers, and workers, and other relevant actors on the issues of common interest relating to economic and social policies. It is with great pleasure that I congratulate the new ERAB board members that have been selected, and with your support, we hope for just and fair decisions, consultation, and 100% commitment and dedication from the tripartite partners. Once again, I thank each and every one of you for your dedication towards the board and the nation as a whole. I wish all a very productive and collaborative meeting. May God bless you all and our beloved nation. Dhanyawad.